Hello everyone, with you artprograms. In this video we create players to our game. Let's start with add images, players, and open PubSpec YAML. Write assets, and then images, path, save. Then we write file player .dart write class player extends status widget return sized box and add constructors padding h_insets dot all 2.0 child image asset. Then we write asset images 1m Pacman .png save. Then we add const padding save, and we write widget path. Let's start with create file path .dart copy with pixel and update widget pixel widget path and update padding 12 save. Then we create host, add file host1 .dart class host1 extends status widget add method build return add widget padding h_insets dot h_insets all 2 add parameter child, and we write a widget image dot asset assets images host dot png add const add constructor save. Then we add host2 and host3 copy host2 save. Then we add host 3, save, open a home page, add variable int type variable player, number in row 14 plus 1 in host 1, number in row multiply 2 minus 2, then int host 2 number in row multiply 9 minus 1, int host 3 number in row multiply 11 minus 2, save. Then we open method build and we update our if. And we write if, else if, then player index return player add const. Okay. Okay, and then we add if else if host 1 indexed and return host 1 second, host 1 import add const. Next, else if host 2 return host 2 import and else if host 3 save and hot restart and see our result. And we see our players and Pacman and host 1, 2, 3. That's all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.